Hi MTV, welcome to my crib.
Sorry, this is just me quickly jumping in on the house tour. I'm going to try and not chat too much shit. I'm also going to try not to cry because I feel like I can feel myself welling up. I'm like trying to hold myself together. I just wanted to say that I actually don't think I can put into words how genuinely incredibly grateful I am for everyone that watches me, supports me on my platforms and has done over the past few years, because I would not be where I am today. Like, little Shannon honestly would be screaming. Like, I used to get laughed at for making videos and I'm like, I can't believe that I'm here. Like, I genuinely can't believe that I have my first home, and I'm just so excited for this next little chapter and to bring you all along. And I just, again, wanted to just thank you all so much. There's a lot I can say, but I actually am struggling to put it into words, but I really hope you all do enjoy the house tour and love you all so much. Can't wait for all the content that's to come. I've always wanted to do that. But hey everyone, welcome to my empty house tour. I'm so excited. This is the first time I've actually seen the house with no furniture in, so it's kind of like a little bit new for me as well. Mum's on the camera duty today. Hi! Okay, so as you walk in, we've got these like little like storage drawers here, which I'm gonna put like all my shoes in, which is like so handy to have. And then we walk into, this is the first room of the house. So I'm thinking for this is gonna be like my little kind of like dining room. I'm thinking like a little circle table, some chairs and stuff. But this is kind of the last room that's gonna be finished. The light switches are like these little like touch screen things, which is really cool. I don't know what they actually will do. We'll find out at some point. And this is my favourite room in the house. This is like the open plan kind of living room and kitchen area. When I was like looking at moving, I know it's like such like a little thing, but I really wanted to have like a little kind of like breakfast bar area. So I actually got one and I'm so excited for it. I've ordered my little bar stools, they're coming next week. So over here, this is where the TV's gonna go. I'm literally obsessed with this room. So we come along into the kitchen. This is the kitchen. I just love this kitchen so much. I think it's such a cool vibe. I actually don't even know, we could discover together because I actually don't know what's in what. I haven't looked in these drawers yet. Yay, cutlery tray. Microwave, oven, this is like the sink and everything. Really nice big cupboards. If the lighting's a bit weird, it's because it's from both sides. And then the fridge, stunning. I've got my pack of 24 Alani Nutrition Energy Kim K cans that are just gonna go on the top shelf. That's currently all the food that I have today. Come through to the downstairs kind of toilet, shower and washroom. So we've got the shower there, which I actually think's controlled by a remote control, which is so cool. Washing machine there, and then this is like a air filter. I'm basically living in a kind of like, it's kind of like called like an eco house, so it's like really efficient to run, and that kind of like sucks in the bad air in the house and produces good air. Honestly, don't really know. Which then leads through, you can get through to this room through that way or this way. This is going to be my wardrobe room, which I'm so excited about. I love the lighting in here. I think it's like so bright in here. And because of this heater here, these are called like the infrared radiators. Yeah. So I can't cover them. They're really good. What do they do? Do they take in? Do you know the ins and outs?
No, it's a body temperature.
Body temperature regulator thing. So I'm having a wardrobe across here, and then here I'm going to have like a little mirror, and then I'm going to have a wardrobe all along here. Stunning, amazing. And the garden. We'll go out to the garden now. It wasn't like, when I was looking at getting place, so the garden wasn't really like on my list, so this is really like an added bonus. But we've got all the deck in here, and it's actually AstroTurf, which is absolutely amazing, because could you imagine me with a lawnmower? No, oh, I've just got a fly in my eye. You know guys, the only thing I'm really scared about living on my own is that I can't deal with spiders, and who's going to come around and get the spiders for me? I say that because I just saw one crawl in as I shut the door then, so I was like, oh no. This is my understairs storage. Mum was so excited to get all my suitcases out of the house and they can go underneath the stairs here. Coming upstairs. Now, one thing I'm actually really excited about is this little ledge, which I know sounds so silly, but I can't wait to put all, like, the people that were here before had like all like books lined up. I'm going to put the most silliest things on here, like neon signs, little jelly cats, whatever. The reason I'm having my wardrobe downstairs is because upstairs the ceilings are slanted. So this is going to be my, kind of like my beauty makeup room. Going to have like my desk and stuff here to get ready. Going to have some drawers and stuff for a little bit more extra storage. Really nice room. It's so bright in here as well. I love these as well. These are like electronically controlled. think he said there's a controller to control that. This is the upstairs bathroom. Pretty much similar vibe to downstairs, except I've got a bath. It's actually quite a big bath. Didn't realise that you've got that bit at the front there. Oh, and I also really love, how cool is this? Sliding doors.
Bye.
Hi. We come into my bedroom, the main room of the house. Stunning. I'm going to have my bed kind of here because we've got these little lights here. So I'm going to have a nice king size bed here, which haven't ordered yet, and it's only going to be coming through July. So I will be on a little mattress or an air bed for a little while, but I feel like that's like the fun of moving in somewhere, so you can like kind of like move in and do it up and stuff. Maybe I can show you the lights now.
Yes, something happened.
Oh my god, that's that one. Yay! So how cool are these lights? These are the same lights as the lights downstairs, and they like go across the ceiling like that instead of having one light. It's honestly another one of my favourite features of the house. I just think it's such a cool little feature to have, and I really like these little I can't wait to be able to get used to these because I'm like tapping around and I have no idea what I'm doing. But yeah, that is my empty house tour. I feel like I really rushed through that. Obviously you all know I talk really fast, so sorry if I rushed through that. I'm so excited to bring you all along in decorating the house. As you can tell, I've literally got the keys, walked in and filmed this, so I'm like overly excited right now. But I just want to thank everyone for watching my videos and supporting me, because I wouldn't be in this without all of you. So yeah, I hope you all did enjoy, and I will see you all in my next video, which will be a moving in vlog.
And Mummy's sad because she's moving out.
Yeah, she's sad.